Meitei Pangal YOMP haina mingthon ba organization amang sidagi safongkrei hariba organization asina lamdam asida awaba taraba singda pangba yaba mating pangani amadi piba yaba khudong chaba kaya phangalagani amadi laikai gi maru oiba development ki matang dana hena focus tawgani haina organization asigi maikedi phungdurakli nauna safong laba organization asigi advisor oina Alhas Riazuddin Khan social worker ex MLA Fazur Rahim MPCC working president Dr. Akbar Ansari Basai Mayum Juma Khan MD Nasim Junaid Vogi Mayum Khairuddin Vogi Mayum Riazuddin social activist amadi Vogi Khairuddin social activist na thawpugani hari
organization asina lamdam asida tauba yaba pangba yaba mateng pangani amadi awaba taraba imung singda piba yaba khudong saba kaya phangalgani amadi laikai gi maru oina development gi matang dana hena focus tawgani haina organization asigi advisor oina ahanbada Alhas Riazuddin Khan social worker second ex MLA Fazur Rahim MPCC working president ahum subada Dr. Akbar Ansari mari subada Basai Mayum Juma Khan manga subada MD Nasim Junaid Zaka Foundation and chairman taruk subada Bogi Mayum Khairuddin Tayed subada Bogi Mayum Riazuddin social activist Nipan subada Bogi Khairuddin social activist Mapan subada MD Fazuddin SDO Hairiba Meeting asina advisor sing asina Hairiba organization Youth of Meitei Pangal Hairiba organization asing asi Yaifaraba numit date 26 September gi Saturday numit asida yamna kupna mifam asi ekoina Manipur gi praja mayamda lauthokchabani Basai Mayum BM Amjad Irong Sasaba Makha Lekaina Hauji Oinadi Phamsi Puraga President Phamsi Puru Laikigani Makha Taba Haidi Hakadava Ikogi Taupugadava Executive Kayama Wali Adubo Makhatana Amuka Ikoi press meet Amadi Media Kutanga Ikoi Miam Khangna